Let's cut the BS. AI isn't the future anymore. It's here, and it's coming for your job. But here's the secret. The winners won't fight AI. They'll use it. If you learn these 3 skills right now, you'll future-proof your income, work remotely, and literally get paid while you sleep. Miss this? You're leaving money and freedom on the table. Let's go. Skill number 1. Prompt engineering your AI cheat code. ChatGPT can write emails, code, even legal docs, but 99% of people use it wrong. Prompt engineering is the #1 skill companies are begging for. Why? Because bad prompts equals garbage output. Good prompts equals 10x productivity and paychecks. Example: one freelancer charges $500 per month just to optimize a company's AI prompts. No degree needed, just the right formulas. Action step: DM prompts to @NamaGlobe for my free prompt library. Skill number 2. Data analysis, the silent money machine. Data isn't boring, it's how Fortune 500s make decisions. And guess what? They'll pay you to connect the dots. Real talk, you don't need to be a math nerd. Just ask better questions than the boss. Free tool: Google Data Studio. Start for $0. Skill number 3. Automation, the lazy goldmine. Here's the dirty truth. Businesses waste 20+ hours per week on repetitive crap. Examples: set up AI email responders. Charge $300 per client. Build CRM workflows. Charge $1,000 per month retainer. One NomiGlobe follower made $8,000 per month automating invoice reminders for dentists. Start today. Look, AI won't wait, and neither should you. Do this now. Pick one skill. Comment which one.
NomiGlobe, earn, travel, and live freely. Subscribe now for more guides.